Police Commander no mu nyina wo se mo sake wo mu. Wo mu nyina wo se wo transfer wo mu. Na mo sa interdict wo mu.
Yeah.
Dr. Frank Amwakwin, when we hear me, Mpacho. Before the fato so na men kasem. Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwakwin. Mr. By Monday, na matese. Sa police commander no wo Nyinahin no. Ma interdict wo mo. Asa in fact, yini kura free ho. Yini free ho ansa na mo interdict wo mo. Because so matena ho ama de we aba. Na edaso wo ho ne kire se omo wa adwempone police commander wo ho no inti Dr. Hannah Bisu oba ya santoa wan sore enkenyame nko an komuku no nyame nko an kamrantie na wo ho no komuku no ede no what is that then ye ho sa Dr. Frank Amwakwin, the regional minister, se Monday bedru na eja unye bibi mfa nyina here me ne ubenya problem. Get that man off. Police commander no get him off. Mo interdict no mo nsesan regional police command. Papa, I trust you. Take action on that Nyinahin whatever police commander no. Because our baby asasi way the aye na nipa dasani it was a police commander because they have been compromised. Mamon transfer ne keke mu interdict no because this is a criminal act. And he is a good wa yentimi magana phone into ni ye ana. Se Ghana phone pese etu a yentimi magana phone into ni ye. Na wa wo hwe asase akwabrane. On galamsey asem no adreni minti me hu de wa me sin kan biem adreni me because you see
and I think say task force no more cooperation they should be doing like this local police for namane. I believe that they have been compromising their operations very very clear now. Because the anabisu kan ya na say if they had told the local police ne commander winning a boy sir they would have impede the process ka entimi maso
na wo police commander na wo hwe na nim nyina ye chese wo hu de onka atone so because onu mu na atena se because obekon da mia ho no they come there and bribe them.
They be now to one omu didi sabre no and you are telling me say moye patrols mo up and down you don't see
police in anim what o hwe na nim nyina te so you be a compromise no o hwe police in anim na asema wo kan nyina mo sack no mo interdict no IGP must sack this person and I'm going to petition IGP
and you there be now the national task force abe operation normal year so you because I mean to me in chantro Hannah Bisu cannot say what is not there or see intelligence or my gather say is the police rather and catch guys and so fatu mema no ticket imagine kwan so block you say return China for them the local police cells or police station na nti omo ba wo commander no sabi obetimi akwachi o man no ko mu gungura mu adidia ko is a task force na ebechi o and this is bad. I understand why Muntaka was saying that he will transfer most of these commanders. What we were saying is that some of them no were not compromised. But this time no, may you retain 100%.
No.
May you retain 100%.
Now because police for the protect China for no.
Are you serious?
Shall we police in your tie? And yes, he can be an edu. Sabin Casika be an edia and came mia no. Says he can be an edia. Anke mia no ken kasa ken so be kwa Jessica bi ne mia no enti obi ye galamsey anke enka aden ne ye ho sa
enye nsuo no
aden ne ye ho sa omeyi aden na yende bia yenka galamsey asem aden na police for any soldiers no bi mumu bi e protect China for so mun say asase e die sika nko ana mo pe enti muntimi nya ne ye se gold wo ho a muntimi nya ne ye Obeko ye obi wo ha Ghana fo ni biom omo ye ne kama watu nsuo enti nsuo na no ye ne kama ye recycling obi a wakata so kama
obi ankotomu kofa asemu chese
sika na wa ha e wo si etu na ye ntu ni ye nso aye problem China ni no amfa ho enti obetimi asɛ no esense wonim sɛ sebi ya jimi anti police ni onim sɛ sebi wa jimi anti wonya jimifo as police ni a eye jimifo police ni ɛna obetena sɛ yensa ya saase na yenya homa police ni wunyimi ya if you are not foolish if you are not stupid you will not do that. That is the only language I was say catch. If you are a policeman or a military person and you are not stupid like this manner, you will not allow say say no because of who botomuntia. That police must be interdicted immediately. That nonsense must stop. It is getting too much. Mo disikana munyai. Na sabi jimini doso dodo police fo ni bi jimini doso dodo because enye jimi sema man kan say wonti ase uye police ni na wonjimi if you are not stupid you will not decide say your environment yen say no you will not go to China. Have you read the regulations of China? Republic of China, go and read Republic of China omu laws on environment. Laws on the environment. Adeni ye ho sa. Se bi enya podam sema, eye den na asase yense no, bibi ansi. Adeni. Edi enko a. Ye ni ye a wo so onye. China ni no ma na senso no okọ, no anya sika. Na wo ye police ni na onananom te wo no munum so fie eyema na wo kọ Nyinahin ho no saa eho no saa na ete